Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Monday, July 19th. We had a wonderful staff day at the lake yesterday. We even got a few people to jump off of the top of the boathouse. So we had a great time, but now we're back at work. We appreciate your patience since we were closed yesterday. Today I have a couple of new things to show you. The first one is the next in the series of the Riley Blake pillow kits. This one is August. I have a couple here to show you from before. This is April's pillow, and this is May's pillow. And the nice thing about these pillow kits is that the pillow is enveloped inside there. So you can make the cover, and then you can change out with one pillow form like this. You can change out the pillow every month. So we have in the shop now the kits for April, May, June, July, and now August. So eventually you will have a kit for every month of the year, and the kit includes everything that you need to make the pillow. So that is new in the shop, the August pillow kit, and we do have the forms here in the shop as well. We also have a new pattern from Villa Rosa Designs. This is called Blueberry Hill. The great thing about this pattern is all it takes is 42.5-inch strips. So I've grabbed the Playa collection by Jenny Beyer for RJR to show you how beautiful and wonderfully colorful this particular quilt could be using this set of strips. So if you're looking for a quick make or you want to do something where you don't spend your whole day cutting, strip sets and easier patterns are a great way to create a really incredible quilt quickly. That's what we have for you today. We'll be back tomorrow with more fabric and new things to excite you. Have a great afternoon. Bye.